Welcome, parents. My name is Mr. Gillock, and I'll be your child's art teacher this year for 8th grade. This video is made in the event that you were not able to attend the back-to-school night and or if I don't actually teach your child until later this school year. In this video, I'm going to introduce the 4 units that your child will work on in class over the course of 4.5 weeks for this rotation. In the event that you would like to know more about my grading procedures and class policies and expectations, please feel free to see the class syllabus in the Welcome to Art 8 folder above this page in Schoology. All right, so just to move forward here, the first unit that your child is going to work on is the linoleum relief project. In this project, students will create a design of their choosing with a frame border, like in this floral image below down here. They will first create it on paper, then they will transfer it to linoleum, which is a soft rubber, a linoleum block. They will then use carving tools to carve the design out by carving out the negative space. And lastly, they'll ink the plate and print it to make the final design. This is a really fun project for students. It is safe as long as students follow the safety guidelines. There is a long safety demonstration given to each student in regards to how to hold the carving material and how to keep their hand away from the blade so that they can never nick their hand. Basically, most importantly, that their hand is away from the blade at all times. All right, so that is the first project. The second unit is abstract sculpture. This project is usually takes a few minutes for some students to kind of wrap their head around, since it is literally an abstract work and it's an abstract idea, taking something that's not realistic and creating a sculpture that expresses an idea instead of an image of drawing a picture of a regular flower that looks like a flower. They're creating something abstract that exemplifies a deeper meaning. So with that said, students will first think of an idea, something that affects the world around them, and then once they have that idea, they'll create the sculpture thinking of texture and positive space, negative space, to create a sculpture that exemplifies a deeper meaning. All right, so that'll be done out of clay, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. That's a ceramic unit. Then the third unit, the students will be doing a figure drawing project where they will examine how artists create mood and feeling within an art and use gesture drawing technique, which is a very fast-paced drawing technique with charcoal to learn how to draw the human body in proportion and motion. There will be the final project will be the end result of a series of multiple drawings, practicing drawing the human form in different positions, different poses, and the final image will have a background with clean contour lines, light and shadow with value. But again, it'll be very quick and loose to learn the drawing technique, much like this mannequin looking figure here. And then eventually the final project, again, will have more light and shadow and be a refined, detailed drawing. The last project is collaborative art. In this project, students will collaboratively plan together. They are going to work on one of a series of transportable murals in the school where they will be given about 4 to 5 different squares that they will work on, much like this image down here of the artwork girl with a pearl earring. The student will be given a certain square, like where my cursor is, and then they will be responsible for drawing an image on a square piece of poster board. And once each student is finished, after each student has been assigned at least one square, we'll put all the squares together and you will see a mural be put together in a very similar fashion as this image down here. The image will be done with pencil and paint and will be completed over the course of about 5 or 6 days, and will also help beautify the school, and your child's artwork will be in the school for years and years to come, just to represent their time here as a student. All right, so those are the 4 units in this class. I hope this has been insightful in your students' journey through art class this year. If you have any further questions for me, please feel free to email me at gillockr@carlileschools.org. I look forward to working with your child if I have not already, and or I look forward for you to see their projects as they're finishing them now. All right. Again, please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day, and I will see your kids in class. All right, bye.